Good evening, everyone. I am Vishnu Tab, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Mint newspaper headlines. So, first of all, what's so special about aluminium railway wagons? Next, London Miss Calling. Next, we come to page number 2 on that festival season sales tell a promise in tell. Next, we come to the page number 3 on that rupee sinks to new low, slips below 83. Next, KKR looks to sell Vercient green power platform. Next, Bulchandini's success mantra at Ogilvia, better, faster, laughter. Next, Congress. Congress elect Mallikarjun Kharge has first non-Gandhi chief in 24 years. Next, India in talks with for long-term Navy and crude contract. Next, Sanjay Manotra is new revenue security. Girdhar defense security. Next, UK Interior Ministry Braverman quits in new blow to embattled trust. Then we comes to the page number 4 on that US wants India to push G20 to help indebted nation. Next, government in talk for long term Navian crude contracts. Next, Sanjay Manotra be to be revenue security after Bajaj exits. Next, India's highway construction slowdown. Next, data flow whiskey among key UK demands in free uh, trade pact. The next, India snaps up cheap 3.3 barrel of Canadian crude oil. Next, Carly bagged Indency by marketing agency Cult Health. Next, ICCI improved 392 crore penalties on Make My Trip Goa Vivo and YoYo. Next, Adani says committed to open for offer for NDA TV. Next, Vivo plans to increase capacity to 60 million unit by year end. Next, HSI HMSI to launch flexi fuel motorcycles by 2024. Then we come to the page number 5 on that Infosys confirmed 10 to 30% hike in embark on wages cost battle. Then next, Edelweiss explore $362 MN debt fund. Next, VI board to discuss fundraisers on 21st October. Then we comes to the page number 6 on that mortgage rates in US climbs to 6.94% highest since 2022. Next, Alternate fate rest on margin. Next, Asia hedge fund losses grow poised for worst year since 2008. Next, Polycap quarter 2 descent. Redo not easy given lower copper prices. Next, IndusInd Bank quarter 2. Then we comes to page number 6 on that INOX ledger loss Havels has box office revenue rises. Next, Nestle India net profit up 8% to 668 crore. Next, IndusInd Bank quarter 2 net profit up 60% on fall in provision higher income. Then we come to page number 7 on that Netflix added 2.4 billion subscriber globally says back to positive. Then we come to page number 7 on that Wellness Forever to defer IPO as a volatile market. Next, a new laws may help India boost data center capacity. Intel. Next, Atto platform room withdraws $361 million public issues plan. Next, Umidwar other back home material firm ministry store. Next, WEH Ventures held $8 lakh seed funding round of Infinity Box. E-Gaming Federation to file lawsuit against Tamil Nadu government or ordinance. Then next ITC increases stake in baby brand Brother Spars to 22%. Next, Fireside backed Goenveda in early talks with investors to raise $20 million. Then we comes to page number 8 on that Ogilvy Global CEO's new success mantra better faster laughter. It's an article section in that. Our plan will allow us to grow 15% annually over 3 to 5%. The next, KKR looks to exit Madan infrastructure portfolio in India. Next, Ambani sludges $163 million on lavish beachside Dubai villa. Next, rupee plugs to a new low, slips below 83 to a dollar. Next, diamond tycoon Metha fights to unfreeze fortune. Then next, On page number 10, on that Wipro gets Chaudhary for revived co-ranked. Next, Tata Motors hire more ITI class 12 grades under government Kaushalya scheme. The next, Adani flagship plans sale rupees 1000 crore bond sales. Then we comes to the page number 11. On that BMW to invest $1.7 billion in electric car production in the US. Next, Messi launches investment firm targeting sports and tech. Next, US said to provide rupees 450 billion package to Pakistan despite India's objections. Next, WHO says COVID-19 is still a global health emergency. Next, high energy costs push UK inflation to 10.8%. Next, recent reversal in government policy have clouded the outlook for UK inflation and interest rates. Next, UK's braver man quits in new blow to embattled trust. Then next, Tesla poised for new record earnings as demand concern loom amid recession fire. Then we come to page number 12. It's an article section in this September air passenger volume of 64.61%. Next, Congress elects Karge its first non-Gandhi president in 24 years. Next, Web3 startups in India rises $1.3 billion. Next, MSME non-tax soaps to continue. Next, NSC may reject index rules over merger. Next, for not avoiding import taxes. Next, China blocks move to list Pakistan terrorists. Next, Indian art by for auction in London. Next, SpiceJet up salary of captains to rupees 7 lakhs. Next, Akasha crafts out 1% stakes 1% share of Skies. Then next, US returns 307 antiques value at rupees at dollar 4 billion stolen from India. Then we comes to the page number 14. On that, tax benefit may not always apply to your health policy. Next, what should my mutual fund mix to be to clear the home loan earlier? Next, where is what you should know about the Bima Sugam portal? Next, Mint 20 mutual fund scheme to invest in. Next, market linked debentures are the real or illusory. Then we come to 15 page number. It's an article section in this, a belt on the do or die spirit of for Gandhi, non-Gandhi. Next, RBI may need a revised strategy to anchor inflation expectations. Next, the existence of India's hunger problem cannot be denied. Then we come to page number 16. On that, durable and robust institutions are a must for long run growth. Next, the Fed is giving Americans has a harsh lesson in monetary legs. Next, could artificial intelligence be as creative as human? Then we come to page number 17. On that, forest essential Rishabh Shetty on Kanthara. Next, the In Burgess band is back with a new film. Then next, Waving Voices, a blend of music, threaded and design. Then we come to page number. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.